In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a CRM backup in HubSpot so you can protect your contacts, deals, and important business data. Start by logging into your HubSpot account using an admin profile, since backup access usually requires the right permissions. Once you're inside, head to the top navigation bar and click on the settings icon. This takes you into the backend where all data management options live. From the left sidebar, scroll down until you find Data Management, then click on Backup and Restore. This section is your safety hub for securing and recovering your CRM data. Now you're ready to create your backup. Click on the Create Backup button. A confirmation box will appear. Just review it and click Create again to begin the process. Nothing in your CRM will be changed here. You're simply generating a secure copy of your data. Once you confirm, HubSpot will start preparing your backup in the background. Depending on how much data you have, this can take a little time, so don't worry if it's not instant. When your backup is ready, you'll receive a notification with a download link. You can also return to the Backup and Restore section to download it from there. Keep in mind, the file is only available for 14 days, so make sure you download it within that window. The backup will come as a zip file containing multiple CSV files. Each file represents a different part of your CRM data, like contacts, companies, or deals. You can open these files in tools like Excel or Google Sheets to review, analyze, or store them safely. And that's it. You've successfully created a CRM backup in HubSpot, giving you a secure copy of your data whenever you need it.